All right, guys, LP with S&W Service and Repair. And today I just want to come to you real quick and show you this microwave control board. This was a warranty call. I originally recorded when I first diagnosed this that it had a bad relay. And this is a service manual right here. Let's get in here. We have a power H relay and a power L relay. And these are the two relays right here. Pick this up. This is the actual relay, and this is the power H, and this is the power L right there. Okay. Get the screwdriver off the wall. This is power L, and this is power H. All right. So when I went out there, the customer complained that the microwave was turning on by itself, and with that I'm thinking door switches. So I had door switches on my truck, and when I got there, not only was the microwave turning on, but the microwave was turning on. So with that being said, let me turn this off. The microwave was actually heating, and it was hot. So they had unplugged the unit when I got there, had the unit unplugged, and when I went in, I plugged it up to check it and see what was going on. I put a cup of water in there, and that thing was hot. So this thing was using all that it had. And I don't recall if the turntable was turning or not. Now, I don't want to be a lie and tell you I remember that. But anyway, when I pulled it out, I came over and I checked the power L and the power H relay, and I checked the door switches, which door switches were all good. So I put this tester to continuity on the ohm setting and came over to the power L, good to go. And okay, we had continuity in the relay. So there I knew it was bad. So I told this was a warranty call. That was another reason I didn't put out the video at the time, because this was an ongoing call and it was, a warranty call. So I wanted to respect that, and so I didn't put the video out. But originally I had this on the back of my truck and I tested. Now you can see the warranty company didn't want to get them a new microwave initially, so they wanted to have this board repaired. So we sent it off to Concentric, and you can see they replaced all of these. None of those had anything to do with the unit turning on and heating. These are all vents, so that if you can read that, it might be a little hard, but those are vents. And then you have one that has a turntable, but the turntable wouldn't have caused it to heat. So I knew the relay was bad, but they changed these, but they did not change the problem relay. And I had another control board, off of, I think this is a Samsung or another. So I just wanted to show you guys that here's my you can't see the meter. I'm gonna set it right there. There's the meter, and power H and L on these. That is not moving. When I come back over here to this one right here, you see, I hope you can see that. You hear the sound. Here's the power L. Nothing. All right. So we know we have a bad relay. I want the guys to have yes, could I have changed that out myself? Yes, but it's a warranty. We wanted it to be warranted and for them to do it right so that they would have the Concentric warranty, but that didn't happen. All right, next thing, if you have a power supply at the house, right here, and let me get my phone so I record it on the phone for you guys so I can show you, let's see, show you guys what happens when I turn this on. Let's see. I need to prop that up. I'll just do that. Okay. So when I turn my power supply on, turn this on, recording, turn my power supply on. Now on the good relay here, I like to keep one up if I can, because I don't want them to touch. All right. So when I go over here to turn the power on, you can see I can turn this up and it'll get to about 115 volts. And that's great. I know that that relay is working correctly. I'm gonna turn it down and we're gonna let the power dissipate on that. And when I move this over to the other relay, as this power dissipates, I'll show you what it does. And it takes a few seconds for it to actually dissipate the way it's supposed to. Yeah. Let's see if I can't do it like, yeah, I like that. Now I can prop it up without holding it. Okay, so power has dissipated. I want to move it over to the other relay. Now let's try. Nope. It will not give it any power because it's just canceling itself out right there. All right. So I'm going to move this over to the other relays over here so that you guys can see. That it does the exact same thing on the good relay. All right, so we have it hooked up and we're recording over here. Look at there. Perfect. So if you have a power supply and a relay that should be accepting power and it's not, you know why. There we go again. Perfect. And we're gonna close that out. Take that off. Let that power dissipate. Yeah, so that was another telltale sign that I had a bad relay. This is something that all you guys can do at home. The continuity check will be the easiest one when you're out there at the customer's house. We're gonna turn this power supply off now. But we have a bad relay right here. And I'm going to order a relay, change that out, and fix this board now. There's no need of throwing it away, and I'll just have it in my extras just in case I run into one again. But that was the problem. Initially, we sent it off to be rebuilt, and they still got it wrong. So, hey guys, trust your troubleshooting. Make sure you have your service manual. And there, I am on Applianceology. Right there, this is where I got this manual from, right here. So you guys can do exactly what I did. This isn't some big mystery, or I'm no special guru. You know, I'm just like you guys. So take your time, be sure of yourself, pull up your service manuals, and if you have a GE that is actually turning on, like the magnetron is working, the high voltage is working, it is getting hot, you know you most likely have a bad relay there. So let's turn this over, take a look at this board here. This is what it looks like. So if you see one of these, know that LP told you guys to check that relay. You know, some people say tap on them. You can't go to a customer's house, charge them to tap on their relay. You need to change out the defective relay. Okay, guys? All right. So that was just a quick lesson on these relays here and on this control board. I hope this helped you guys out. As always, LP with S&W Service and Repair. The links to all the things that we use are in the description down there. If you want to pick you up a power supply, I'll link it down there. If you need a meter, I have one linked down there. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you want to have microphones and like the sound that we have, we'll have it linked down there. All right, guys.